Hello everyone, welcome again. In this Confluence tutorial, we are going to learn how you can customize the look and feel of your Confluence instance. So we are working with Confluence Cloud, and it is very important to understand how you can customize the look and feel of Confluence and customize it as per the themes or the layout of your organization. So how you can change the logo, the favicon, the color theme, etc. So we'll learn all of those concepts. So once you're logged into your Confluence instance, you need to be an administrator basically. So once you are the Confluence admin, you will get this little cogwheel in the right hand side, the settings icon. So if you click on settings icon, it will open the configuration of your Confluence instance. So it will give you all the settings that are available. So at the moment, all the site administration, etc. Now to customize the look and feel, you simply scroll down a little bit and go to the look and feel section, right? So it is pretty straightforward, nothing complex there. And here you will get a lot of options, right? So you have themes, you have color scheme, PDF layout, PDF style sheet, logo and favicon, header and footer, and default space logo. So we'll cover a few things here, and then we'll cover other things which are not related to look and feel into some other tutorial, right? So like PDF layout and PDF style sheet, they are related to look and feel and layout, but mostly you will be customizing the layout of the changing the logo and favicon or the color theme. So we'll cover all of that. So the first thing is basically changing the color scheme. So how you can change the color scheme. So at the moment, if you see, I have this blue color, right? So say for example, I want to change this color scheme, then I can go to color scheme here and I can choose any specific color if I want to change the color accordingly, right? So at the moment here it's blue. So if I can if I edit it, so I can change it to highlight to some other color. So this is the color picker, and if I'll open this, it will open the color picker, and say for example, I will choose a little bit of orange color there, and the background, if I want to change it to something bit of colorful, so let's pick some, say for example, not this one, let's change it to gray. So if I save this, you will see that the color scheme will get changed, right? So you can see the background has changed to the gray color and the button have been changed to the orange, right? So this is how you will change the color scheme. If you want to change or reset the scheme, reset the color, you simply click on edit and click on reset, and it will reset to the original state. All right, so this is how you will change the color. Now moving to the logo and favicon. So simply scroll down, go to the site logo and favicon, right? So click on site logo and favicon. Now here you select the file or your logo. So click on choose file, and in the download, say for example, this is my logo. So I'll simply select the file and click on open, right? So here you have the option to show logo only or show logo and title. So if I want to show the title as well, then I can provide the title of my organization. So I can say RCV Academy, and I can choose to show logo as well as title. So if I'll save it, I'll have the logo changed and the title accordingly, right? So title will be shown next to the logo as well. So you can see title RCV Academy is shown as well as logo is shown. Okay, now if you notice here that this header bar updated accordingly, right? So as I changed the logo, the color theme automatically updated to match with the logo, right? So here you can see we have updated the color scheme to match your logo. So if you do not want to do it, you can simply click on undo, and then the color scheme won't change. So it will just update the logo, color scheme will remain as is, and it will show you the title. All right, so color scheme or updating color scheme is automatic, which is very handy most of the time. But in my case, color scheme was exactly similar to the logo, so I can choose some other color scheme if I want to. All right, Now favicon is this little icon that you see, right? So this is the favicon of the website. Now if you want to change the favicon to some other icon, mostly it will be your site's logo or company logo. So simply choose the file. As of now, I will simply choose my logo here and same logo and click on upload. And then you can see that site logo, this logo and the favicon will get updated as well. So here you can see your favicon was uploaded successfully, and you can see now the little icon appear in the left hand side where my mouse is pointing. So the favicon is no more the default Confluence favicon, it is the logo that I have uploaded, right? So this is how you will change the logo and favicon in the Confluence. Now moving to the default space logo, right? So default space logo is the space logo that is available for the spaces, the default logo that will be available for all the spaces within your Confluence instance, unless and until the space admin goes in and updates the logo to be very specific to the space. So that I'll explain in a moment. So basically, say for example, I want to have a default space logo. So what I'll do is I'll choose a file and I'll use the same logo. Let me upload it, and then I'll show you how this default space logo will look like. So the default logo, space logo, has been uploaded here. Now if you go to the spaces here, now you can see all the spaces have this logo here. Okay, so if I click on view all spaces, all the spaces will have this logo attached to those spaces. Okay, now these logos can be updated by the space admin. Say for example, I do not want this default logo for this particular space, then I can go to that particular space, go to the space settings, and in the space settings you can update this space logo, right? So by default, if you have the default space logo set at the global level, that logo will be applicable to all the spaces in your Confluence instance, but space admins can go ahead within their spaces and edit the space logo as per their requirement or the need. Okay, so I can simply go to the space if I'm the space admin and edit the space logo and update the space logo accordingly. All right, so that's how you will update the default space logo. Let's go to the settings, global settings again, or the general configuration again, and see what else is there. So we have covered about the color scheme, we have covered about the logo and favicon, and we have covered about the default space logo. All right, now let me cover about themes as well. So look and feel, basically theme is also a very important part of the look and feel, because there are lots and lots of themes available at the Atlassian marketplace that you can download and install. And what themes will do is they will update the color scheme, the layout. So basically it's just like the website, or say for example, if you are aware of the WordPress themes. So when you install WordPress, you can apply any theme and the website starts looking according to that. So you can apply news theme, or you can apply the business theme, and it's basically how your website will look, or the look and feel or the interface of your website. So similar is the concept here, the site theme, it's same thing. So always the current theme will be your default theme that comes out of the box from the Confluence. But if you want to choose the new theme, you can go to the to more about themes, and you can install, say for example, if I go to more about themes, I can install a new theme from the Atlassian marketplace. So if you go to the Atlassian marketplace, I can go ahead and find the themes that are available, and if there is certain theme that I want to use, say for example scroll viewport for Confluence, so these are some specific theme which will serve for specific purpose for your project. Say for example support portal you want to have, so if you go ahead and see this scroll viewport, it is suitable for the support type of documentation, scroll viewport, and it will show your content something like this. So if you open this, you will see that your Confluence page will start looking something, very organized and helpful for the people to come in and explore the Q&A of your Confluence page. So this is how the themes basically work. So you can go ahead and install themes if you wish to, but by default there is just one theme, and I'm not going to install a new theme as of now, but this is just to give you an explanation about that there are themes that you can go ahead and explore in the Atlassian marketplace and install and apply the themes, and the layout of your Confluence page will be updated according to the new theme that you will go ahead and activate. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial on how to update the look and feel of the Confluence page. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.